Hi, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you the things that I bought in the Kpop Demon Hunters store, kind of like a pop-up store. I don't really know, but anyway. So first, this is the Huntrix mouse pad. That is the stage like the Idol Awards at this is the stage where they like performed golden, so it looks very cute. And there's also Durfee mouse pad, which also looks very nice. He's like sort of like walking in thin air. He also did that in the movie, yeah. And so these are the stickers I got: Genu, Baby, and Mystery. So there are 40 sort of stickers, and it's like all random. And if you buy one package, you're sort of like getting 3 stickers. So first there's like huntrix golden, and their eyes also turning into popcorns, and like also what it sounds like version. And there's also the Saja Boys your idol version, and also the huntrix girls going to the bathhouse, which looks very cute. I totally love it. I think Rumi is so cute in the sticker. My favorite character is Zoe, but Rumi looks so cute. So there's also the Saja boys eating like hot sauce. Everyone's crying except for Baby. And also the Saja boys kind of like wearing like a bib. Yeah, like the thing that babies use. And also their like purple clothes. I think the purple clothes was what they were wearing in the Idol Awards. Like what they were wearing when they met Huntrix in the hallway. Anyway, there's also Durfee stickers, and I think all of them look so cute. I totally love the sticker. Okay, so that's how the stickers look like, and these are like these deco tape. So this one is like Saja Boy's soda pop version, and I think it looks so cute. Yeah, totally love it. And this is like Durfee stamp, and this looks so cute too. So it looks like this. So I'll show you how it looks like. It kind of looks like this. Yeah, it's actually very nice and clear, right? It looks nice. So this is how Durfee stamp looks like, and this is Durfee sticker, and there's like save the date. So that's what's written on the letter. So that's what Rumi sent to Genu. I love these details. So this is like Durfee Kit Cap. So Kit Cap is kind of like a keyboard, but kind of like a keychain at the same time. So this one was like gift with purchase. So I got this one for free. So this one was also random. There's also a lot of things, like there's also soda pop version, golden version, but they gave me this how it's done version. So it looks nice, I think. So this is like called like CD keyring or something. So it's not actual CD, but I think it's kind of look like CD, so maybe that's why it's called like that. And that's Durfee's pen, and this is Abby pen. Looks very cute. And this one is Baby. I think Baby looks so cute in the character. I think in the character, Rumi and Baby is my favorite. And this is like this little doll, Susie. I don't know how to call this character exactly. It's kind of complicated, but I think like it's Susie, or something like that. And this one looks really nice. So this one is like a fabric poster. So it's like a poster, but it's like fabric. Yeah, so it's like this, like Saucy and Durfee, and Saucy is taking Durfee's hat. That's what Geno said, right? Like the bird keeps taking the tiger's hat. So I think that's a very cute detail. And this balloon was also gift with purchase. It was really hard to put the air inside. I mean, it was so complicated actually. Okay, so this is how they all look like. So I bought a mouse pad, but I don't really have a mouse. But still, I think they look really cute. Yeah, and the stickers are so nice too. And the stamp and the deco tape is really nice. Yeah, and the Kit Cap thing is actually really nice to play with. It's like really nice. So now I have some more Kpop Demon Hunters pen. So this one is Zoe, which is really cute. Look, there's like Huntrix written on it. Looks so cute, right? And there's also Mira. But unfortunately, Rumi was already like all sold out. So when I went there before, Rumi was still there, but I just didn't buy Rumi. I don't know why I didn't, but Anyway, there's also mystery, and this is like more stickers. So I have Dorothy and Mira golden version, and this is Rumi, like the bathhouse version. But the bathhouse version, Rumi is covering her head with a towel, so we can't actually see her hairstyle. But anyway, Mira and Zoe and Mystery looks very cute, and the stickers are really nice too. I think the stickers are really cute. There are like 40 kinds of stickers and they are all cute. I love the stickers and the pens. They're so cute. I love it. Okay, so this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it. So see you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.